Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwini and today we are going to see how to use Adobe Scan app. This is one of the application used to scan the documents. Before we used to use Cam Scanner. Now Cam Scanner has been banned. You can replace Cam Scanner by Adobe Scan app. So this is one of the application you can find in both Apple Store as well as Play Store. You can go and download it. Let me show you the demo of Adobe Scan app. Before that, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel. Now, let me show you the app. This is the Adobe Scan app. I have opened it. Here you can see whiteboard, form, document and business card. And you have one. Here you have a form where you can select it, and here it is automatically recognizing the text and it is automatically click the photo. Now you need to adjust according to your document needed. I'll just adjust it. I'll click on continue. Now you can see one page has been scanned. Here you can see the document that is scanned and you can see the clarity of the document. It is just like a printed. So this is how you are going to scan a page. Now you can add up a page. Click on add page. You have two options here. Take another photo and select from photos. I'll just take another photo. So this is one more page. It is automatically capturing. I'll just adjust the points. Then click on continue. So it is recognizing the text. You can see the second page here. So this is our second page. This is my first page. Next option is reordering. So you can reorder it, press and hold, and you can move it. Click on OK. Next you have crop. If you want to recrop it, you can recrop it and click on OK. Next you have rotate option. If you want to rotate that particular page, you can rotate it. If you want to change the color of the document, you can change it. Next you have clean up. If you want to clean up any of the part in your document, you can clear it. Here you can see. I'm just selecting whichever I want to clear it. Here you can see the document is cleared. Next is filled with color. You can fill any of the color. I'll click on OK now. Next you have delete. If you want to delete this particular page, you can delete it. Next you have scan PDF. Next you have save PDF. My PDF is saving. So here you can see it is uploading to the cloud, uploading to the document cloud. Now you have different options: share, preview, fill and sign, and you have more option over here. So let us wait till the document get ready. Now it is ready. Here you can view using Adobe. Since I have not installed it, it is not displaying. Then you have share option. If you want to share the link of the option, you can share it, you can mail it, or you can share a copy. So if you want to share up a copy, you can share it. So here you have different options over here, and you have copy, makeup, print, save the file, and save the file to Cam Scanner or edit the action. You can perform any of the option. If you give save to the file, you can create a new file and you can save it inside this. You have more option over here. You can add it to Siri, you can modify the scan app, you can rename, you can print or delete that particular file. So this is about taking a picture from Adobe Scan. Now you can load with image also. I'll click on the second option, photos, and here I'll click on the first two images or 3-4 images. Click on OK. This particular image has been imported. You can see 4 pages over here. Now if you want to add up a page, you can click on add, select a photo or take a photo. I'll click on select a photo and click on the fifth one and click on OK. Now you can see 5 pages has been loaded here. If you want to reorder it, you can reorder it. Long press and move to the position. Click on OK. Next, crop. If you want to crop it, you can crop it. Next you have rotate. If you want to rotate it, you can rotate it. If you want to change the color of the PDF, you can change it. If you want to clean up something, you can clean up. So I'll clean up this footer. Then click on OK. Next you have delete option. If you want to delete this particular page, you can click on delete. If you want to delete it, click yes. That particular page is deleted. Lastly, you have save PDF. It takes few seconds to save. Then it start uploading to the cloud. Then you can share it or preview or comment or click on more option. If you want to share it, you can share it, or if you want to delete it, you can delete it. If you want to print it, you can print it. These are the different options provided by Adobe Scan. I think this video has been useful for you. If you like this video, please hit a like, share it with your friends, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. If there is any mistake, please